plastics manufacturer, you understand that post-extrusion product shape is crucial for quality and consistency. But plastic products are extremely hot and pliable immediately after extrusion and must be cooled to make them safe to handle and stable enough to keep their shape. After listening to our customers, we felt we could improve on the efficiencies of existing vacuum spray tanks while keeping the product in line, allowing it to be cut and handled quickly without affecting its shape. Our spray tank features high-pressure nozzles that deliver a continuous, evenly dispersed water spray, creating an extremely efficient cooling arrangement. These spray nozzles are adjustable to effectively cool all sides of your extruded product and are easily adapted for different product sizes. We also added multiple inspection windows for convenience. Chamber length and exposure time can be customized to fit your product and production requirements and can accommodate various vacuum sleeve sizes for molding your extruded material to exact specifications. Plus, the parallel water filter loop allows the filters to be cleaned while the spray tank is in use. And while each application is custom fit to your needs, completed tanks can be adjusted for different product sizes or extruders. Other benefits of our vacuum spray tank include negative air pressure that helps eliminate profile collapse, reclaimed and recycled water to help reduce waste and cost, automated water temperature control, and a diamond-shaped chamber and plexiglass viewing windows for easier access and visual inspection during production. Plus, our tanks feature stainless steel construction and are custom built in 20-foot sections that are expandable for any application. And, like all our products, they're made right here in the USA. At HorizonPSI, we develop customized solutions tailored to your business, from system installations to individual components. It's how our reputation is built every day. After all, our business is your business, and we won't stop working until you're satisfied.